Hello, this is our team, Hot Hills, and I'm Ville.
And I'm Deija, and my name is Alma. We are presenting your paperwork for the assignment on ability to change. And we will start with the introduction, and then we'll go through theories with Deija, and finally present our
Enterprise environments contain many systems that are selected through the years to solve a problem to support processes at that time. As the industries and the world changes, these systems cannot provide needed agility to organizations to meet these needs fast enough. How can an organization improve their change capabilities?
According to Wade and Holland, there's 8 key resources which can affect to the organization's competitive advantages. These are divided into 3 different categories, and the first one is the outside-in IS resources, including the external relationship management and market responsiveness. The second one is the spanning ones, including the IS business partnerships and IS planning and change management. And lastly, the inside-out IS resources, including the IS infrastructure, technical skills, IS development, and cost-effective IS operations. On our solution to the presented problem, we'll focus on the outside-in and spanning resources, since according to researchers, the companies which manage these 2 categories of resources are more likely to gain competitive advantages.
So now we continue with the multi-sided platform development. And it's important to note that to be able to utilize this multi-sided platform development, the company must handle the IS capabilities mentioned in the earlier slides. So first, you have to be able to recognize the reasons for the development, for example, the opportunities and the problems in the organizational environment, and the market's responsiveness. And secondly, the IS strategy and the alignment and IS planning capabilities. So this means this is the guide to concrete actions and choosing the strategy for the multi-sided platform development according to the maturity level. And finally, enacting the multi-sided platform development.
How to actually sustain the competitive advantages?
As we referred before, the outside-in and spanning IS resources are the key ones to sustain the competitive advantages. So firstly, we suggest the organization would manage their external contacts, for example, outsourcing partners and creating and utilizing ecosystems. Secondly, to observe the market changes and their competitors' acts. Thirdly, make sure the communication and cooperation between IT and business departments is working. And finally, to make sure that the top management is completely committed to carry out the changes. So, what does the old wise man say?
There is nothing permanent except the change.
So, note to self, don't get stuck on your current practices, but rather make sure your improvement is continuous. So, thank you for watching, and here are our references if you'd like to know more about some interesting theories we have presented to you. But yeah, thank you.